Ashwari here and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, as you probably read by the title already, I'm going to be showing you my birthday dress which we did from scratch, converting it from a simple white bedsheet to an amazing dress that you must have seen already on the thumbnail and everything. So yeah, I'm going to just take you through the steps that I did to make that dress. Like major thank you to my grandmother for doing it and for actually stitching. So yeah, without further ado, let's begin. So the first step was, so we took a plain white cotton bedsheet, and this I had done 2 years back, so I basically dyed that, and I'm sure that everyone has seen like tie-dye videos all over YouTube, and I was obsessed with it before. So I was like, I would really want to tie-dye this, and that time Ganesha Chaturthi was coming around the corner, so we decided to tie-dye a whole bedsheet for the backdrop of that. And for that I basically used this technique that I'll put on the screen. I'll link it down below because that time I didn't really record it, but so you take the white bedsheet and then you find the midpoint of it, and then you take a fork, fold it, and more I found out that even normal like clothing dye that you get in any arts and crafts shop should be okay for the same. Basically, after you make that into a circle thing, then you have to tie rubber bands in different directions to give it that tie-dye effect, and then you just dye the colors that you want, keep it, and then you wash it off, and ta-da, your whole backdrop is ready. And it looked so nice, and I used it as my bedsheet for a good like 2 years before it got spoiled, and then I was like, you know what, I need to upcycle this bedsheet. So yeah, that was the first step, basically to tie-dye the bedsheet. And I'd put it on my bed also a few, like in one of my really old videos and all, there's there in the bed. I'll just put clippings of it. After the lockdown started, I was kind of bummed that I couldn't get a new like dress for my birthday because it was such a thing. I decided that, I'm so into cord sets right now that I really wanted to maybe try out something related to that. Then I was like, I might as well use that bedsheet because it had gotten kind of spoiled anyway. So I was like, I'll use that bedsheet, the help of Dadi who can stitch it for me. She was also super excited to do it because she was doing it after so many years. I looked up different things that I wanted, like the styles of the skirts, and whether I wanted a long skirt, whether I wanted a short skirt, whether I wanted the neck to be a certain way and stuff like that. So that's all, you can customize it of course. After that, it was just the work of my Dadi, and I know this is not much of my DIY per se, but I just wanted to put it out there because it's such a cool idea to do at home, and it brings out like so much stuff that you would not normally do. And then we chose the different parts of the bedsheet that we wanted. So first I wanted a top, like a crop top kind of thing with like a square neck. So that's the design that I chose out of all of them. And then I decided that because it's such a tribal and print like tie-dye vibe, like a summery vibe, I wanted to like make it like a flowing skirt kind of dress, but it was cotton, so it couldn't be really flowy because there was so much extra left also from the other thing. We were like, might as well make trousers out of it, so we made that as well. And so Dadi basically she told me what parts I want the bedsheet to come for my skirt, for my top, for the trousers, everything. And then basically took a measurement and then drew like exactly how much she's supposed to cut with like margins and everything. And that I'm sure like anyone who knows how to stitch will know exactly how to do it. But she finished all the 3 pieces in one single day. I was there throughout, and like I kept trying it and making the changes that we wanted to make. I did not expect that it would actually look so good, and considering we made it from scratch, like even if that scratch started 2 years back, we still made it from scratch into a proper dress that you would totally get in any like clothing store and would sell also. And then I paired it up with like this gold chain layered necklace that I have. Other than that, also we made like Dadi also stitched these trousers for me, which was like a pencil cut trousers, not too sticky also because it was cotton. I wanted to go with that vibe, so I could wear it with any other top as well. And the good part about these are that each of them can be worn as a separate statement piece also, and not just together. So the skirt and top looks great together, but the trousers and the top not that great. So it looks super great, and I wanted to put a video showing exactly the steps that we went through. So that's about it, and that's all for today's video. If you like my channel, and you can go and check out, I have so many more videos over here, and I want to be more consistent when it comes to posting here. And yeah, that's about it. If you like this video, then give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you're new here, or if you haven't already, share this with whomever you know, or if you think it's a cool idea, and share my channel. Yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye.